Today we're going to be working on a 528i. As you can tell by all the Christmas lights on the dash. It's a 08. We're going to be changing out the blower motor, which sits behind all this stuff. So I'm guessing we have to take the center console out, top vent, climate control, all the bottom pieces off, and let's see. What I did so far is I went ahead and took the glove box out. There's a bunch of Phillips head. There's one hidden going upwards. Just be careful of that one. You have to take out these side trims which push towards you on both ends. Take that off, and then you want to there's a bunch of Phillips head, I'm sure you guys know, and then whatever connectors connected, take that off. And this is where I've gone so far. Now I'm going to start removing this piece, and should sit right behind there. If I'm not mistaken, both the motor and the resistor sit as one piece. Alright, the center console is completely removed. There are two 10mm bolts inside, which you gotta take off. There's two 7s on the other side, and there's a few Torx. Two of them up here, and then there's 3 on top. But before you do that, you gotta take off, let me show you. You have to take off this trim, which is gonna hide those 2 screws. Everything is Phillips. And once you take that off, then you want to slide this back. This way you have access to the back. Now we're gonna take off this plastic trim, which in turn would make everything easier to take off in the back. Alright, and there it is. Fan, motor, and the relay, I think it's attached to it. But before you do anything, you have to take off this cover plate, which is held in with 4 screws and 2 clips at the bottom. And you want to take this connector off from here. Let me show you the light. that connector, and you want to take that vent off, which is why we took that glove box. The vent you just push apart. It's simple. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off those two Torx, and then this should just slide right out. All right, and it is out. Here's the fan, and here is the relay. Now I'm just gonna start swapping things over. I think the wire harness you have to reuse. Other than that, everything else brand new. All right, everything is back in. Put the center console back in. I just connected the climate control just to see if it works. Let's see.